Hey everybody, I'm Brianna with WTI, and these are my ICEKO Motion Night Lights. I love these so much. I use these in my closets. I also use them in my kitchen cabinets. I love that this set comes with 6 lights, so you have a bunch of them to put all over your house. You have the option for a warm light or a cool light. As soon as you open your closet doors, voila, you have light. It's just really easy and convenient to use. They're really easy to stick to the ceiling of your closet. It comes with a magnetic circle with adhesive on one side. You just stick that to the roof, and then here on the motion light, there's a magnet. So it is totally magnetized. So when you need to charge it, it's really easy to take off. You're not unscrewing anything, you're not unsticking anything. It comes off really easy. The box also includes 6 chargers. So if you need to charge them all at once, then you have all the chargers you need. I typically just use one charger because the battery lasts so long, then I don't need to charge them all at once. So if you're looking for a little more light in your life and you want to light up your closets or your cabinets, maybe a dark staircase, I highly suggest these. These are super easy to install. They work great, and I haven't had a single one fail me, having these for about a year now. So I'm really happy with my purchase, and that's my point of view.